Hi buddy, welcome back to another video, and today's video I'm going to be fitting the EP3 Type R spoiler to my EP2 just to give it a little bit of a better look. So here it is, picked it up for about £45, which is pretty decent. It's about average. I'm probably going to take that sticker off, I'm not sure, just want to have it a bit clean. So yeah, that should look a lot better on this, as I've just got the little one on at the minute on there. So yeah, I just wanted to say again, thank you so much for supporting the channel. It's really meant a lot, and on Instagram as well. It's been amazing, so yeah, thank you for that. So I'm just going to put you over here on the tripod in a minute, and I've got the tool set so we can take these off. It looks like it's just this bolt up here. I've got to take this cover off, and then a bolt on the side. I'm not too sure about the middle, but I'll have to show you in a minute. It's a bit weird with this. I think it was designed a bit different for the EP3 or something, or they were put in, or anyway, I'll show you in a minute. So before I do start as well, as you probably noticed, I'm in a building here. So what the plan is in a few more videos, hopefully, is to start clearing this out and get it kind of a place where I can bring the car in here and kind of do more work on it and that kind of thing as well. So yeah, that should be good, so make sure to subscribe. So moving on to the start of it, these are 10mm bolts on the outside that you want to take off. Well then, so let's carry on with this side. And there's the second bolt. So now what you want to do as well with this is to try and get this panel out on here, this black bit. So this literally just pulls out of here. Pull that down like that. It should come off like that, and that's the cover for the top back brake light on there. So the next part is to take the two bolts out for the back light, and then unclip the connector, and then see if this will actually come off. Glue, connecting it to the glass, see if you can scrape that away in here. Is actually working, so okay, so that side is off. I need to put that away before I scratch my car up. So now I think it is just these two bolts in the middle. Do the same on that side. So yeah, and then we should be able to get it off. Okay, so quite honest guys, getting the actual light out was probably the hardest process so far. Basically what you have to do, you have to disconnect the connectors, but they're quite hard to do. I'll just show you. So basically this was a bit like that attached on there, and this bit here, you have to disconnect that from that cable. So this is obviously the one that comes from the car, and that's the bit that connects it, and it's got where it connects to the little and holding it in. So I'll take them bolts out now, and then we'll change it over. So I have just taken these bolts out here. As you can see, the two that needed to come out. and yeah, it's come off pretty well. Just to let you know as well, with this here, with these clips, you do have to kind of just pull on the end and they will just fly out really. So yeah, that's come out pretty well. And yeah, now the other part has got to go on. Me being a bit of an idiot, I did actually get one of these bolts dropped down here inside here, but there is actually a little cap, this thing, that goes on. I'm guessing that's what it's for. So pull that back on, and I managed to just pry it out of there. So make sure you don't lose them down here, or they can be a bit of a pain to get them out. So now all I think we've got to do is to kind of just line it back up, and yeah, wondering how that is going to go through there. Might have to drill a hole, so you might have to just drill a hole actually through this back panel here. I didn't think of that. So guys, I thought we had a bit of an issue with it, because what I had to actually do was drill a hole here. So I've drilled a hole so the brake connector would actually go through, because there wasn't a big enough hole for it. So you have to drill that so the connector will fit through. But then I thought, oh no, what's happening here? So I was like, we've got a bit of a problem with this because it doesn't actually fit. But then I thought, as you can see on here, if I put it down a little bit, the bolts aren't in yet, so I'll have to be a bit careful. It does look 10 times better, but because it is an actual, obviously genuine Type R spoiler, it doesn't fit. So what I've now got to do also, the bit that connects it there, I don't know if you can see, if I lift it up, there's a bit that actually connects on the other one. So all we're going to have to do, Alex, we just looked on a couple of threads about it, and all I have to do is pretty much just sand the edges down on this to make it fit. So it does look loads better. I mean, look at that. It looks 10 times better, and hopefully then when I can get the window tints done, it'll look even better again. But wow, if you're thinking about putting a spoiler on it, I'd definitely recommend that as well. But don't forget, don't get worried and sell it. You just have to sand the edges down for it to fit the EP2 boot, glass, whatever you want to call it. But yeah, so I'll sand that down, I'll probably bolt it all back up, and then I'll finish off the video, show you over the car and talk a bit more about what's going to be happening on the channel again, just to let you know, and the upcoming video soon. Okay guys, so the next bit is to floss the car. It's a little bit darker now that I'm filming this, so sorry about that. So trusty floss, and just start debadging this. Do the sports section and take that off. Okay, so I'll just cut to the end of this I'll clean it off and then I'll show you at the end. My body again, so it is finished. So it's a bit dark in here, it's a bit of crap lighting. Hopefully we'll get that sorted eventually. But so I've got the wing on and I've got the debadging done on it as well. So sorry I kind of haven't done an in-depth kind of installation. There are others probably on YouTube of how to do it. But yeah, all I had to do was basically drill the hole to get the brake light through, kind of flush it all up around the edges of the glass because it was a different fitment on the Type R model, because it's bolted into the glass or the edge panel that runs down the side, and this just has the bolts at the top, so it's a little bit different. So yeah, I'll show you it now. Sorry for the lighting though, been working on it for quite a while, so there we go. Does look a lot better in daylight, so follow me on Instagram and you'll be able to see what it looks like in the next couple of days. But it does look a lot better with the debadge as well. It just makes it look a bit cleaner. What I actually want to do as well is, as you can see with the plate, it is obviously drilled in. I want to get a stick-on plate so it just loses the little holes on there. That would look nice. The wiper I think I'm probably going to keep, because if you're driving on the motorway and you've got a lot of water spraying up, probably could get quite annoying. So yeah, just going to be picking up some little kind of rubber pads that go in between here so it doesn't rattle, because like that, you drive down the motorway with that and it won't end up very good after a little bit. So yeah, the brake light works thankfully on it, so that's good. Don't have to change a bulb or anything. So yeah, that's pretty much been it for this video today. So yeah, thank you for watching, and please make sure to subscribe, because I'm going to be doing a lot soon. There's a car meet that I'm going to tomorrow night as well, so I'll be taking this and kind of getting some cool footage of people's cars and engine bays and everything pretty much. So please subscribe for that. That should be out on Monday or Tuesday, probably Tuesday. And then when I can get a bit more cash saved, I'm going to tint the windows. That'll look a lot better. May change the Type R badge because it just looks a little bit better with the red calipers and whatnot. But yeah, thank you for watching. Appreciate all the support on the videos, and if you have got this far in the video, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.